Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the Press2Paste. Now, this is the official, as seen on TV, Press2Paste. Don't be fooled by the imitations out there. Let's check out the commercial.
Introducing Press2Paste, the hands-free toothpaste dispenser that delivers the perfect amount of toothpaste every time. Look, just push and press to paste. No more mess, no more dirty counters. The secret is the patented VacuForce pressure pad that releases the perfect amount of toothpaste from any size tube. No electricity, no batteries. Press2Paste installs in seconds to any surface, any tile, any wall, and dispenses the perfect amount of paste right onto your toothbrush. Press2Paste works with any size toothpaste tube. Perfect for kids. When you're done, put your toothbrush back in the toothbrush holder. Press2Paste holds up to 5 toothbrushes, perfect for the entire family. Squeezing the last drop of toothpaste is a struggle. Press2Paste suction squeeze technology squeezes every last drop. And when you're done, you replace with a new tube in seconds. Don't waste that paste. But with Press2Paste, there's no more waste. Look again. Anyone can squeeze toothpaste right onto the brush. Press2Paste.
Now, our deal on this best-selling as seen on TV product actually comes with a 2-pack at an insanely low price. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.